2.5 years, so many people have made major changes. I mean, like shifted their life plans and maybe uncovered long neglected dreams. What about you?
Yeah, that's right. And dreams, you know, they're not always convenient. Sometimes we have to change our thinking in order to really go after them. We have the great Darren LaCroix in studio today, folks.
Hey!
Yes, he is an author and renowned public speaker, and he joins us today to share why he thinks now is the perfect time to dream big. Darren, so great to have you here with us.
Hey, thanks for having me. This is awesome.
So excited you're
You
here.
two are funny.
Oh, thank
That's
you.
awesome.
Wow.
Coming from you, that means a lot. Seriously, yeah. So, Darren, just tell us, you know, why do you think so many people don't go for it? They don't pursue their dreams?
Well, honestly, and the reason this is a good time is people are like stepping back from their lives and saying, what am I really trying to do? What am I really trying to live for? And I think when we're growing up, well-meaning people trained the dream out of us.
Darren, we have to talk about your growing up because you were a shy kid, really. You wanted to be a comedian, but I heard you weren't very funny. That's what I heard.
You were a shy kid. I know you, so that's like so bizarre to
That
even
was
think
the
about.
pre-1992. I was shy, quiet, naive. I was the ultimate introvert, but I dreamed of making people laugh because my cousin was so funny, and I saw him change a room just by what he was saying and how he was saying it. And I just, that'd be cool. And then I remember standing up at a holiday party, like trying to join in the laughter, because I have twin aunts that when they laugh, it's like in harmony. It's like waff, 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 and you can't not laugh. And I stood up as this little kid and I threw out a punchline and I hushed my whole family. And I slid back into my seat thinking, I will never ever try to be funny again because it was so painful. And then people, well-meaning people saying, look, that's just not your jam. That's not what you should be doing. And so I picked another path and then just went for business. That's my thing. And then I owned a Subway sandwich shop for a year and a half, and that didn't go so well.
Wow, I'm learning a lot about Darren. I didn't know that.
No, he actually
sandwich artist as well.
folded a Subway sandwich shop. It's part of your origin story. It's fascinating. But really, the victory of your story is that you turned this all around. You won an amazing contest. Tell us what year that happened and how that came about.
Yeah, well, I bombed in 1992, my first time on stage at a Boston comedy club. Fast forward to 2001, I outspoke 25,000 contestants from 14 countries to become the world champion of public speaking.
Wow.
So like that little kid like had his moment.
Yeah.
And like making people laugh and just walking off stage, I was just like, bam. I didn't even know I had won. But I got that feeling that I dreamed of. And I think a lot of people, they have that dream, but then they let that little inner critic talk themselves out of it.
So you've been able to, you know, overcome that inner voice, that inner critic, right? And now you're inspiring so many others, right? With this system, 17 minutes to your dream, you kind of figured out a way to do it. Tell us about that.
Well, I think the thing that challenges most people is, number one, the inner critic. So they don't even start. And you can't get the dream without starting. But more importantly, they don't have momentum. And that's what I learned from my first dream, is that it's that consistency that all of a sudden a breakthrough happens and you don't see it coming, you don't see it coming, bam, there it is. So it's not about, you know, when, you know, Vinny, when I walked off stage that first night, he's like, don't quit your day job. And in fact, that's what I'm saying is don't quit your day job. But this strategy is something that worked from my first big crazy dream that I'm applying now, that if we could just put that 17 minutes a day in, you can do this.
Consistent effort.
So the book is called 17 Minutes to Your Dream. And so you have really kind of encapsulated some of these lessons that you have learned that led you to win that contest and really gone on to have your career like blossom around it. What can people learn from this book?
Well, it's a simple, proven strategy that anyone can use, whatever your dream is, to get those breakthroughs. See, once you get a breakthrough, then all of a sudden you're different. You have a different self-identity. That critic shuts up just a little bit more. He's still there. And then there's naysayers in your life who they may mean well or not, but if we can realize that that naysayer is just a test to see if you're serious. You know, if we can reframe it as,
Yeah.
I got to pass this test. You know, the heck with the SATs. This is a life test. So if I can pass that, but it's that consistency that truly pays off. It worked in my first big crazy dream, and now I'm working on another big crazy dream, and I'm using this strategy myself.
Well, people can come down and meet you, purchase the book, and be part of this whole phenomenon. It's very positive, the vibe you carry with you. July 17th, you're having a launch party.
Yeah, yes, we're having a launch party. I got showgirls coming just so Jeff will show up.
Why are you pointing at me? Must have showgirls. Okay.
Vegas.
Yeah, I heard
Jennifer
that about
Joseph, former
course.
Vegas headliner, she's going to be singing there. I'm going to be talking about what I learned, and people are going to walk away with how to overcome self-doubt, how to get the breakthroughs they need, and most importantly, how to gain momentum.
Yes.
So join us, have some fun.
Oh my gosh, I think there's a switch that happens when you get a little bit of confidence and encouragement.
Absolutely.
Yes.
I want a high five now.
Oh my gosh.
Darren, it's just so awesome having you here. You're a great friend, a colleague, and you're such an inspiration to so many.
You are an inspiration. Thank you.
You guys
for
are very
joining us.
kind.
Have an awesome event, man.
Yeah,
awesome
thanks.
event. So, hey, the launch party is on Sunday, July 17th at the Verve Church on Dean Martin Drive. For tickets, visit the website or call the number on your screen. You can also purchase Darren's book on Amazon. Thanks, Darren.